Good morning, folks. Oh. So, this is part 2. It's the next day from the camp. Oh, I was not prepared at all. It was not supposed to get so cold, so I ended up sleeping in my van. Oh, I haven't shown you guys my van yet, have I? Wow, yeah. It's the merch of all merch. I got myself a little Midget Ninja van. Sure did. Slept much better inside it. Oh. But the sun's about to come up. Should show you guys the beauty of that. Alright. I'll show you the sun. And then we'll get coffee. Look at that. The sun is about to come up. But I wanted to show you guys this, because I look over here. Can you guys see that over there? The moon is still out. Look at that crimson in the sky still. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna head over. Oh, there's Woodrow. Hi, Woodrow. Good morning, buddy. You heard my voice, so I'm gonna get the fire stoked up so I can get some coffee going. Yeah. Good morning, Willie.
Good morning.
How'd you sleep last night?
Freaking awesome.
I bet, because I heard you snoring.
I had to unzip the sleeping bag, it was so warm.
And how about you, Jeremiah?
Had a little bit of a draft.
Okay.
A little chilly, but not bad. Not bad at all.
Yep. So, Woodrow and I slept in the van together for about an hour. And then he wanted out. He missed his dad. So, and he went straight to your tent, too.
Yeah.
I mean, to your hammock when I let him out.
Huh.
So he was like, yep, come here. Come put my chain on me. And now look at you, bathing in the sun. You're going to be the star of the show, Woodrow. So we got breakfast going. I got a minute steak with potatoes, onions, a lot of bell pepper and sausage. Compliments of Kyle Lust sausage. Jeremiah's got some awesome bacon going. Willie's got bacon going. And he also has, looks like mushrooms and bell pepper over there too.
And onion and garlic.
Onion and garlic. And we got some farm fresh eggs over there waiting to be cooked up. Awesome breakfast, folks. And of course, Woodrow gets his own steak too. Can you even taste that, buddy? Because it's gone. Breakfast is over, so Woodrow and I are going for a little walk. We're going to look for some sheds. Now that all the snow has melted, hopefully we can find something. You never know. So, stick with me. Hopefully we'll find something. Folks, we haven't found sheds yet, but we did find a ton of turkey feathers. So I'm wondering if one got killed or something, or they got into a big fight. It's a lot of feathers. Well, it looks like we have come up on the remains of a deer. Look at that. Here's the pelvis bone, the hoof. Oh, and it looks like here's the head, the spine and the head. And look at that. There's a nice little spike on there. There's the other hoof over there. Alright. Let's keep going. I realized I never showed you guys the Midget Ninja van. Look at that. There's the AOK Forging and Adventures logo. that the Crazy Scotsman made for me. And so here's the van. Yeah. Talk about merch, right? There it is. I guess I'm a little too close. There we go. So when I was at the car dealership, I opened up the back. I flipped all the seats up and crawled inside. And the salesman says, "What's she doing?" And Brenda says, "Oh, she's just got to make sure that she's got a home to sleep in." And this is where I slept last night. Yeah, well, with that seat down, of course. But yeah, so it lays down and then it flips all the way up. Very, very roomy. So, and I also like the sliding doors. See, so this folds down right here. Well, hard to do one-handed, but anyways, it folds down and then it flips up just like that one. Gives me plenty of cargo space, plenty of room to sleep. It's awesome. So, once again, the AOK Foraging and Adventures Midget Ninja van. Look at that. Folks, I don't know if you guys can see, it is raining. So we had to tear camp really quick. So we could get out of here. Camp is almost completely torn down. So you guys can see, we just got a little bit of odds and ends to pick up and stuff. Folks, I want to thank you all for watching. But hey, watch to the very end. I put a few time lapse and a few slow motion stuff together with some music. I hope you guys like those type of things. Let me know. Anyways, folks, thank you for watching. And until next time, may all your adventures be A-OK.